All the way.
I don't know about unclipping the
Pat,
chain.
go into your lowest gear.
No, I don't know.
Sorry, your highest gear.
Things through all the gloves now, hold on.
Oh, actually, we should have done this before we fucking...
Yeah.
Have you got gloves, son?
Gloves?
I think things on there.
Wet ones? Fuck's sake. What did I go over?
Are you taking it off, Ding? Yeah, mate. Park tools, is it?
Are you inspecting the elf?
Hand over, son.
Hey.
Now, mate. Got no fucking slack here. Okay, she's off.
Right, this is the one we want, son.
Wiggle it out, Simon. Whoa, whoa.
Come on, free meat, free meat.
Okay.
Son, we're out.
Look at that, it's like a F1 team, huh?
Fucked one.
Hamilton would be made off, wouldn't he? Fuck me. He's a little bit tight on here, aren't we, Pat?
Rest up there, son. Don't you want? Rest up there, or no? Any damage to it?
Rest on top of my back panel. Can you get the back of your bag?
Like that? Yeah. No, I can chain. Yeah, no, son, yeah.
I can't even get that in behind there.
Stick them stack out, yeah?
Where was it in comparison to that thing?
I don't know, because I've popped it out now.
No, it was there, is it? No. I can hear it then. I'll keep pumping.
Hang on a minute, right, when you find it, keep your thumb
Team
on it.
building this time.
You've got the wrist action going on, huh?
Yes, indeed.
Right, stop it, son.
It's definitely got a hold in.
Down that end, isn't it?
It is.
There it is.
Have you got it? Right,
There's a
hang on.
There's the snake.
The bite, the
Where is
viper.
There it is, there's a hole there.
The viper.
There.
Where?
Oh yeah, there.
Where?
There.
Feel, yeah.
So in relation to the tube.
Yeah, Sophia, put that back on the wheel. Look at you guys.
Crack team, huh?
Brilliant, mate.
Just the one, yeah? Put your finger over it, Steve.
That's the one.
Finger over it.
Let's hope that bit doesn't rub off, and then at least we know where the fuck it is on the way back. When we
Releasing. Okay.
Yeah. Fake mechanics,
huh?
huh?
Steve.
on the wheel here.
Yeah, so.
I can't exactly tell you where it was because I've popped
Well, no, we
it out.
find out now.
No,
I
but
know.
in relation to where that was,
Where's the thing?
hold the tyre.
I'll do that.
Hold the wheel up.
I'm saying I don't know where the thorn was.
So there.
That's where your thumb is.
Yeah. So it's in this area here.
Unless the tube's on the other side. Oh, it gets hot, but it also gets to a point. It's full of water.
You can see.
The other thing with mine is it gets to a point where the air kicks up.
Are we putting
it
it on
shouldn't
the
go-
bike before we pump it up?
Pump it up. No, I might as well pump
Oh yeah,
it
no,
up.
put it in my pocket. Is that mine?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
fine.
Sorry, mate. Wasn't expecting you to carry it.
No, it's
That's a
alright.
good hock, that thing. It's nice.
Looks like a cinnamon bun.
You'll soon know when it goes this time with fucking water squirting out the fucking thing. And all bad looks at it. Watch it in a minute because it'll do that
And it'll go
and
up.
it'll suddenly go bang 30.
It's going up.
Somebody else might have to have a go in a minute. I'm not used to doing such short strokes.
Hey.
Get the alpha out. What PSI are you going to?
About 60. We're just getting up to 30.
Ding, you fancy a go?
Yeah.
Well, that's
you.
what-
Don't we have a go things with my
Yeah.
like you lot do all the work.
Getting off my stroke though.
Did you wrap up the other inner tube? Yeah.
Yeah,
This one's in the pocket.
Nice one. So yours
Hey.
on
Do they go on there?
have you got a dust cap for that, or we
Yeah, there's
reusing
one
this
on
one?
there already.
You do?
We do Michael Jackson. 30, that's
Yeah,
it.
right.
Something will have to go on that, will it?
No, this one will go on that. That needs to go on the thread on there. The elastic band's just for keeping it tidy, son.
30? I thought it was hissing.
It might do a bit because they might need to think it's just.
Take it out from there.
What was that?
Fucking spokes there, is.
Yeah, don't worry, they're just creaking.
Take it out.
I reckon we're higher than 30, lads.
We're not.
Hold on, take it out a minute. Hold it. Yeah.
Where's the nearest bike shop?
There's one in Builth Wells, maybe.
How are you feeling about your mechanics?
No,
They're doing a grand
Keep
job.
going, keep going.
This is what they came
No.
for.
You reckon?
No, not by a long shot.
This was their vocation in life.
You watch it when that gets some weight on that.
This is part of the deal.
Pull it back.
Don't jump, pull it back. Get wanking.
Whee!
What you know?
Go on. It'll probably in a minute, it'll spring up to 40 in no time.
Come on, Denzel.
Do you know what?
Alright then.
Imagine this happening last night.
Okay, now.
The bike would have been in the river.
I'd have walked the rest of it. We just walked in.
Yeah, there you go, you've just gone up to 40 now.
Another 10 to go, you anchor.
Practice more, isn't it?
Give me a go.
catch that
Give me a
one.
go.
So-
Give me a go if you
Fake
want.
mechanics, huh?
Whoa, hang on. Click.
You could have a fucking motion park, look at that.
I knew ProStar was good at mechanics, but
Definitely 10 quid's worth. Definitely a tenner if you'd say.
Are you saying that you're not supposed to do it?
I'm saying it's not coming out more than that.
I'm sure we should be able to do it.
I've already got a name for this day on Strava, huh?
You reckon?
Once. Can you do it?
I reckon you can work it better than go.
Right, watch the back light.
Where is it? Oh yeah, nicely done. Come on, I've got this bit.
You've got that hand yet?
Got it?
Yeah.
Nicely worked.
What's the shit on the top? Okay, let me get some clips.
Can you put that level?
Hang on.
It's stuck there, doesn't it? It's wedged in between there. So if you can pull that up.
Hang on, are we in?
Burko's a legend, isn't he?
Fucking
Well, the
boy.
Black off.
He's the boy.
You don't want to film that.
Have we got any baby wipes? Well done, Burko.
I have.